We're going to be demonstrating the quick reply messages that are used on the Ring Video Doorbell. Kit includes a rechargeable battery with a charging cable, hardware with tool, user manual, and back mounting plate with Ring security sticker. Here's a glimpse of the live video feed. Here's one of my favorite features, an option of using male or female quick reply messages.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Now let's jump into the preset quick reply message examples. You have an option on the screen from left to right, using the two-way talk, use the microphone to speak to the visitor, and to turn on and off the speaker to listen outside. Now let's listen to the reply message examples. To access quick reply messages, in the lower right-hand corner, click on the white message icon. We'll quickly scroll through all the messages and then we'll see what they sound like. Be sure to stick around to see what the Ring app looks like on your phone.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello, happy spring. We're busy bees and can't make it to the door. Please leave a message.
Hi, we'll be right there. Hi, it may take a moment to answer. Please wait. Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello, happy spring. We're busy bees and can't make it to the door. Please leave a message. Welcome. We're glad you came by. We'll be there in a moment.
Here's a glimpse of what the Ring app looks like on your phone.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.